If you're looking for the perfect digital whiteboard tool to bring your ideas to life, you've probably come across Miro and Apple Freeform. Both platforms help you brainstorm, organize, and collaborate visually, but they serve slightly different purposes. Let's explore their key differences to help you decide which one fits your needs best. First, let's talk about Miro. Miro is a cloud-based visual collaboration tool designed for teams and professionals. It offers an infinite canvas where you can create mind maps, flowcharts, sticky note boards, project plans, and even team workshops. What really makes Miro powerful is how well it supports real-time collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same board simultaneously, no matter where they are. You can comment, vote, add templates, integrate tools like Google Workspace, Notion, and Slack, and even host meetings directly inside Miro. It's especially popular among project managers, designers, and remote teams who rely on visual collaboration to keep projects organized and productive. Now let's move on to Apple Freeform. Freeform is Apple's take on a digital whiteboard designed primarily for Apple ecosystem users. It works beautifully across iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and syncs seamlessly through iCloud. Freeform's strength lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You can draw with your Apple Pencil, add sticky notes, images, PDFs, and text, all in a free, clean space. It's ideal for visual thinkers, students, educators, and solo creators who want a personal space to brainstorm ideas or plan visually without too many advanced tools getting in the way. However, compared to Miro, Freeform's collaboration features are limited. While you can share boards with others, it's not as powerful for professional teamwork or complex project management. When it comes to ease of use, Freeform takes the lead for beginners. It's incredibly intuitive. Open the app, start sketching or adding content, and you're good to go. Miro, on the other hand, offers more advanced features and templates, which might feel overwhelming at first, but become very rewarding once you get used to it. If you're looking for quick, simple brainstorming, Freeform is perfect. But if your goal is structured collaboration and workflow planning, Miro's versatility will serve you better. In terms of features and customization, Miro clearly offers more. You have access to hundreds of templates for business models, flowcharts, retrospectives, and more. You can also integrate it with your favorite apps to streamline teamwork. Freeform keeps things minimal. You can add visuals and text, but customization options are limited. It focuses more on creativity and less on structured project execution. Device compatibility is another deciding factor. Miro works on almost any platform, Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, so it's perfect for teams using different devices. Freeform, however, is exclusive to Apple users. That means if your team includes Windows or Android users, collaboration becomes difficult. To sum it up, choose Miro if you need a robust professional tool for remote collaboration, structured brainstorming, and visual project management. It's built for teams that rely on efficiency and coordination. But if you're an Apple user who prefers simplicity, creativity, and visual freedom without the complexity of integrations and features, Freeform might be the better choice for you. In the end, both tools serve different purposes. Miro shines in structured teamwork and productivity, while Freeform excels in creativity and simplicity. The best one for you depends on whether you want a collaborative workspace or a personal creative board.